What up, YouTube? Gonna bust a box right here. Got it from Walmart. I think these boxes are good as far as if you want something better than a blaster box, but you can't afford the hobby box. These are right in the middle of the road. I'm not going to tell you what I spent on it because I'm not going to incriminate myself like that in case my wife gets a hold of this video. So anyway, so these are, let's see, X-Fractor packs. Anyway, so I was in somebody's house the other day, and this guy, he had Patriots everything. I mean, he was like OCD Patriots. Every single thing he owned was Patriots, NFL Patriots. And by the time I got out of there, I think my eyes OD'd from seeing too much Patriot stuff. It was insane. He probably even had Patriots toilet paper. I don't know. But man, every single thing he had was NFL Patriots. There's the first pack. So I think I got that in a break the other day, that rookie card right there. Kopech. So that's like what, an insert rookie card? Not numbered. I don't know. Got the Orioles. So Kyle Wright. I think I saw him play at the Tides game in Norfolk, Mississippi. Played in Mississippi. No, it's been too long since I went to a Mississippi game, AAA or AA. Corey Seager. So, man, Christian Yelich. Gosh, he got hurt. Oh, like, man, you just never know. Miguel Cabrera. Billy Hamilton. Now, I did see him play at the Norfolk Tides game before. Not numbered. Says refractor. So this isn't, it's like a, well, I don't know, it's, I guess it's a retail box, but I guess it's their higher end retail box. Sometimes you could see hobby packs in like Target or Walmart or whatever, like 3 hobby packs. I think that's kind of scary. I think the day hobby boxes go to the retail stores, oof, that might be the beginning of the end. I don't know. Anyway, getting through this here. 4 minutes. What did Dave say? He doesn't watch anything less than 10, right? No. Oh, there we go. There we go. Guerrero Jr. right there. So that's cool. This crazy thing. Look at like snake. It's like a snake skin refractor, right? No. Let's see if it's numbered. Probably not with retail boxes. I don't see a number. It doesn't even say refractor on the back. Anyway, Oh, so Evan Longoria. Victor Robles. Sheffield. Oh, Kuna Matata. All right. Not too shabby. So, and I didn't get to the refractors yet. Packs. Man, I'm exhausted. Oh, I always do YouTube videos when I'm completely exhausted. Oh, man. Over Springer. Alright, let's check this out. Somebody, well, I had a relative said they watched one of my videos and it put them to sleep. I'm like, yep, it'll do that, right? I tell you, but a jumbo box of these, it's kind of tempting seeing what Mike O pulled. There's a rookie. All right. Let's see. Oh, Kyle Wright. Sweet. Corey Seager. Miguel Cabrera. All right, well, that'll do it. So, catch y'all on the flip side.